If you thought Honda was resting on its laurels, think again. For the 2027 model year, the CRF450R isn't just getting a minor facelift, it's receiving its most comprehensive overhaul in over a decade. Developed directly alongside the HRC factory racing programs, Big Red has unleashed a machine that is a staggering 9.9 pounds lighter and boasts a claimed 10.3% increase in peak horsepower. That bumps the output to an estimated 61 horsepower, potentially transforming it from one of the milder 450s into the undisputed class leader. This is a ground-up redesign aimed at one thing: absolute track dominance. At the heart of the 2027 CRF450R is a completely reimagined 449.5 cubic centimeters Unicam engine that drops 6 pounds right off the bat. Honda widened the bore by 1 millimeter to 97.0 millimeters and shortened the stroke to 60.8 millimeters, raising the compression ratio to 13.75 to 1. To let this new mill breathe, they've introduced larger intake valves and switched to titanium exhaust valves with a more aggressive cam profile. The result? An engine that not only pulls significantly harder across the entire rev range, but is also physically 17 millimeters narrower, greatly centralizing the bike's mass and improving overall handling dynamics. Perhaps one of the most intriguing updates lies within the drivetrain. The 2027 model features a completely redesigned, much smaller clutch assembly equipped with an innovative rubber damper-activated back torque limiter system. In practical terms, Honda has integrated a slipper clutch, a technology directly trickled down from their MXGP factory bikes. This mitigates engine braking and wheel hop entering rough, rutted corners, keeping the chassis settled. Paired with a more compact 5-speed transmission that features revised, taller gear ratios, the power delivery is expected to be broader, requiring fewer shifts per lap. To harness that newfound power, the aluminum twin-spar frame has been drastically reworked, featuring roughly 70% new components. Honda focused on increasing both longitudinal and torsional rigidity by about 10% without adding an ounce of weight. The geometry has been tweaked as well, a slightly longer wheelbase and a 27.5-degree rake aim to provide laser-straight high-speed stability. Meanwhile, the bodywork is completely new, sitting 2 millimeters wider at the radiator shrouds and 7 millimeters wider at the seat base. This flatter, symmetrical profile allows riders to grip the bike more securely with their legs, reducing upper body fatigue. Honda hasn't ignored the suspension, completely rethinking the internal architecture of the 49mm Showa inverted coil spring fork. Moving away from the traditional bending control valve, the new fork utilizes a dynamic blow system main piston valve structure for significantly improved stroke consistency. Both the front and rear internal suspension components now receive a premium Kashima coating right out of the box to reduce stiction. With stiffer 5.2 newtons per millimeter fork springs and a redesigned ProLink rear shock linkage, the 2027 setup promises to stay higher in the stroke and absorb massive hits without the harsh feedback of previous generations. Taming a 61 horsepower motocrosser requires serious electronic intervention, and Honda delivers with an updated suite controlled straight from the handlebars. The engine mode select button EMSB offers 3 distinct maps, while the Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, and HRC Launch Control have been recalibrated using direct data from factory race bikes. Ergonomically, the rider triangle has been optimized with foot pegs moved 5 millimeters rearward, and endurance racers will appreciate the new 1.9-gallon titanium fuel tank, large enough for grueling AMA Pro Motocross motos without sacrificing the bike's incredibly slim cross-section. If the standard 2027 CRF450R isn't enough, Honda is simultaneously launching the elite CRF450R HRC Works Edition. This premium tier adds a Yoshimura exhaust, hand-polished ports, a twin air filter, and exclusive HRC-inspired styling to meet the new AMA 109 dB sound limits. But frankly, the baseline model is so radically advanced that it sets a terrifying new benchmark for the 450 class. By slashing weight, massively boosting power, and integrating factory-level tech, like the slipper clutch, Honda hasn't just updated the CRF450R, they've reinvented it. As it rolls onto dealership floors, the rest of the paddock is officially on notice.